はい、こんにちは、あすこ先生です。Hi, I'm Asuko Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about be careful. How to say be careful in Japanese language. So, it's very, useful expression. So, like take care or be careful or watch out. We use the same phrase. That is 気をつける。気をつける。So, 気 means energy in our nature, whole the universe, and then also human beings or animals has ki energy. So this is energy flow in our body and then the whole universe. This is our East Asian way of thinking, and it's very important concept in Japanese culture. And then so ki or tsukeru, tsukeru means attach. So I attach my ki energy. So it means it's aware, you alert, you put your ki somewhere to be careful there. Yes, so that's the concept. 気をつける. つける is dictionary form. So you can say 気をつけます. It means a normal verb sentence. I will be careful. 気をつけます. And then also you can say 気をつけてください. Please take care. 気をつけてください。つけて this part means 手 form, and then ください means please. So please be careful. 気をつけてください。Or in casual conversation, 気をつけて。Be careful. Watch out. Take care. Yes, 気をつけて。Yes. So this is a very useful phrase. And then reflect our culture, cultural thinking. Okay, so today I'm talking about be careful. We say 気をつけて。気をつける is the dictionary form. 気をつけて means be careful. Polite way 気をつけてください気をつけてください Hope you it's helpful. See you next time. さよなら。またね。